Okay, Assalamualaikum. We want to present an assignment 2, which is Internet of Things, IoT. Our lecturer is Encik Zulkifli bin Sharif. And our title is Development of Easy Car Seat for OKU to load into the vehicles in the Industry 4.0 using Internet of Things, IoT. First, I will introduce our group member. Nurin Fadlin Adlina binti Awan Taib, Nazatul Natasha binti Nasaruddin, Nol Alia binti Khairuddin, Ahmad Muhajir bin Abdul Aziz, Muhammad Alif Aiman bin Zamatul Akmal. Okay, introduction. Industrial Revolution, Fashionable History, the method of amendment from associate rural and handicraft economy to at least one dominated by trade and machine manufacturing. This technological change introduced novel ways of operating and living an essential remote society. The first industrial revolution began in the 18th century with the use of steam power and the mechanism of production. The second industrial revolution began in the 19th century with the discovery of electricity and chain production. The third industry, the revolution began in the 1970s in the 20th century with the partial automation with programmable memory controller and computers. Industry 4.0 refer to the fourth industrial revolution, so it's involved with areas that are not sometimes classified as industry application in their own right, like accessible cities.
Who's next? Natasha, right?
Okay, why Industry 4.0 important? Cost efficiency, machine observance solution, prognostic maintenance strategies, and alternative advanced operational technology will facilitate manufacturers, decrease downtime, increase throughput, and overall cut back the volume of supply quality parts. Democratic data, a connected operation provides ability to disparate data source and if done properly, provide a simple way to use the knowledge for effective decision making. Operational agility, having the ability to quick react to understand unsteady demand, new product trends, and the abilities gap and alternative unpredictable challenge is vital for any manufacturer. Documentation and transparency, with digitized info a virtually limitless quantity of producing data may be kept via the cloud. Retentive customer, power among supplies and shoppers has continued to trend toward the customer with increasing expectation around service and product quality. Dah tukar page ke? Okay. Objective. The objective of this project are developed to facilitate the interaction and integration of the physical and digital worlds, symbolize the future networking trend, and it is at the top of the list of the latest wave of the IT industry transformation. 3. Covers a wide spectrum of application including the detailed real-time sensing of our environment and the embedding of connected intelligence into everyday objects. Last but not least, to gather data from technologies that were previously inaccessible to conventional database technologies.
Okay, next is methodology. First is IoT in healthcare. Internet of Things (IoT) enabled devices have made remote monitoring within the healthcare sector possible, unleashing the potential to keep patients safe and healthy and empowering physicians to deliver excellent care. IoT in healthcare facilitates mundane albeit important tasks to enhance patient outcome and takes a number of the burden of health practitioners. Tasks like remote patient monitoring, treatment, progress observation, and therefore the housing of vaccines are all capabilities of medical device with integrated IoT. To improve healthcare service delivery, strongly encouraged by the government, solution like predictive health analytics for hospital and doctors to deliver better patient care. Modernizing healthcare with artificial intelligence and else are currently driven by local startup like AI, ME, Vital Synapse. Next is IoT in transportation. To improve efficiency and service of transport operation. Companies like Prasarana Malaysia will gladly welcome solution that can help improve public transportation and passenger info. IoT solution for enterprises allow logistic companies to acquire highly reliable and secure connectivity globally, enabling real-time parcel track and trace, fleet management, and real-time updates. Next is IoT connectivity solution that enables logistic enterprise to automate and control the IoT deployment and a range of functionalities. Customers and shippers need to be able to track and trace parcel and shipment of every size and value as they move seamlessly across border, countries, and network. The last one is IoT in airlines. With cost-effective global connectivity underpinned by market-leading roaming solution and global infrastructure and an advanced real-time connectivity management platform, airlines can secure and manage huge volume of data anywhere in the world, supported by connected aircraft sensor, terminals, and devices. With growing numbers of connected applications across aircraft and terminals around the world, airlines need to be able to roll out new service quickly and easily and provide support to a huge global user base. And to roll out their services globally, airlines need to reliable and cost-effective global connectivity solution. Internet of Things enable airlines to streamline terminal and transportation process while providing a superior passenger experience.
Okay, let's move to the result. So, based on our title, to develop OKU seat passenger. So, what is Easy Car Seat for OKU people? It is a technology that allows disabled people to transfer from their wheelchair to car seat easily without their caregivers' help, like to lifting or twisting them hard. To complete prototype of the project that use Internet of Things, which is using Wi-Fi to connect the hardware and software. This product will be easy to use by the OKU person to adjust their seat by using the application that have been to them. Alright. This is the interface of Blink apps. So we see the red button is functioning to move forward the seat once the button is pressed, and it will change to on button. For the green off button is functioning to return the seat once the button is pressed, and it will change to the button on. So for the orange button, functioning as to rotate the seat follow the clockwise once the button is pressed. So for the blue one is to rotate anti-clockwise once the button is pressed. Okay, this is the video project for OKU people, for OKU seat for people. OKU people seat. Let's watch this video. Okay,
Okay.
let's move to discussion.
Okay, for discussion, this project is produced based on Internet of Things requirement. This idea of this project is based on the problem many case where the person is injured because of the factor being hit from the body of car when they want enter the car. Second is this idea also will help the caregiver to move the person into car easily without hurt their bodies. Third is this project is intentionally designed with a device and system that suitable to produce an easy car seat to move the OKU in and out. The device is actuator motor is used to move the chair forward and reverse. To flip the chair clockwise and anti-clockwise, power window motor is used because the movement to flip the chair is suitable by using the power window motor. To move the actuator and power window motor, we will use the Blink application, which is using Wi-Fi connection and mobile phone, which is uh, Internet of Things. Okay. For conclusion, digital communication and networking have been established where machines are joined to build vast network and provide remote access to application. Considering the many different technologies required to support the current and future growth of the Internet of Things, interoperability has become increasingly important. As a result, numer- numerous efforts have been made to develop standard and technical specification to enable seamless communication between IoT device and component. That's all from our group. Thank you, sir.